Hi, hello my lovely hawks and herons. How are you today? Right, today we're going to continue doing division and we are going to build on what we learned yesterday. So we are going to be dividing a 2-digit number between a 1-digit number, but it's going to be slightly different today because we're not going to be able to split up the entire number into equal groups. That is something that happens a lot of time in life. For example, if your mom bought sweets for your 3 friends and she just bought a bag, she wouldn't know how many sweets there will be in the bag. But if she wanted to be fair, she will divide them into equal groups. So she may have some left, some remaining that are not able to go into any of the groups. And that is what we're going to be looking at today. How in order to have equal groups, sometimes when we split the number, we have something left that we can't include in any of the groups. Again, we're going to use the long division method, and we need to use mainly our knowledge of place value and our times tables to help us. What do I mean by place value? Like I said in the video yesterday, depending on where on the digit the number is, it is worth a different amount. 7 is on the ones, therefore is worth 7, but 8, the 8 here in 87 is on the tens column, therefore is worth 80. 8 tens, 80, okay? Right, so as yesterday, we will start dividing the tens, so the 80. I need to think about which number times 2 equals 8 or 8 tens, and it would be 4. So 4 times 2 equals 8. If you don't know your 2 times table, write it down previously next to another calculation. So this means that if 2 times 4 equals 8, 8 goes into 2 groups of 4. Am I able to divide the entire the entire 8 tens into the groups, the entire 80 into the groups? Yes, I am putting the entire 80 into 2 groups of 40, so I can take away the 80. I've split the 80, and now I bring down the 7. This is going to be slightly harder because as I'm looking at let's look at the 2 times table. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. I'm not going to be able to write 8 up here because that would 4 up here because 4 times 2 is 8, and I don't have 8, I have less than 8. So I will have to look for the previous one. 2 times 3 is 6, sorry. 2 times 3 is 6. So that means that the 7 would go into 2 groups of 3. But would all my ones be gone by then? Unfortunately, only 6 out of the 7 ones will be gone. Therefore, I would have 1 left. So 1 that is a remainder. Right, I'm going to do it with the deans now. So I will be able to split these numbers into 2 groups of 4 tens or 40. So they're equal. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. But when I look at the ones, in order to have equal groups, I can only have 2 groups of 3 in order for them to be equal, and 1 that remainder. Therefore, my total, when I'm splitting 87 into 2 equal groups, it would be 43 groups, and I will have 1 left. We'll have 1 left in order to have equal groups. 43 groups, 1 remainder left. My lovelies, I know that division is something that we struggled with, and that is absolutely fine. We need to have a lot of things at the top of our tongues in order to do it properly. So don't worry about it if you're struggling. Have a go at the method, draw the deans if you need to, write down the times tables if you need to, and if you have any questions or if you're struggling with anything that you do not understand, do not hesitate to email me. I am more than happy to help, okay? I hope you have a lovely day. See you soon. Bye.